Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Samsung 990 EVO M.2 NVMe SSD. This particular model is the 1TB version and is part of a bigger gaming PC setup that I'm building soon. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this SSD arrived with some of the other parts of my gaming PC just yesterday, and there'll be more parts coming soon. So I thought I'd do some unboxings of some of the key elements, and this is just one of them. So keep an eye out for some other unboxings on the channel of the other components I'll be using, but we're starting with the SSD today. So you can see on the front it has a picture of the SSD itself. We've got the Samsung logo, and then you can see it says 990 EVO with 1TB and up to 5,000 megabytes per second read speed. Over on the right hand side it says 990 EVO, and then on the back you can see just some other information. The top there is nothing and the bottom there is also nothing. So what we'll do is we'll get in the unboxing knife here and we'll just cut it open here. So we'll just cut it open like so and keep cutting it open. There we go. So we got it open like that. There we go. And then you can see that if we pull it open, the SSD will come out like that. And you can see that we've got the 990 EVO SSD here with some other serial numbers that I'm covering up with my thumb there, but you can see that's the SSD. And then we can just open up the packaging like so. And here we have the SSD itself. You can see once again 990 EVO. And if we turn it around, you can see it says Samsung SSD on the back. So yeah, you can see that this is the 990 EVO SSD here. And the reason that I choose it is one of the latest in Samsung's range. And I've also had some good reliability from Samsung SSDs in the past. So I know there's a lot of other brands that some of them would be a bit cheaper for the amount of storage you get, but Samsung has really great read and write speeds, and they're one of the most reliable SSDs in my experience. So the 990 EVO, I think, provides a good balance between performance, but also price. I was considering the 990 Pro, but it was a little bit more pricey than this, and I thought the 990 EVO would strike a good balance. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing experience of the Samsung 990 EVO SSD in its 1TB. The other storage sizes would be essentially the same as well as this recording, so you can see the unboxing experience of all the different types. So yeah, that's it on the unboxing of the Samsung 990 EVO SSD. Hopefully this was helpful and it's given you a good idea of what the unboxing experience of this component is like. And definitely stay tuned on the channel for some other unboxings of PC components for this gaming PC build, because I will definitely be uploading some more unboxings. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.